kana PCF nimooretie anyiti itemi gurani na ria maikorirwo magihwo marua maao ma license maikorwo makeyumeria nigo maikorwo magitheerwo kihoto kiao.Kuligana na munini wa muikariri giti Rosemary kavili ni ataririe ati kambuni nyingi cia uheani wa utungata wa insurance ni maikorirwo makigunika kana magunikite na ni thutha wa aria maigitheetie na kambuni ici gukorwo magateanirio. Oho ni ataririe ati akenya ni magirirwo makirora muno nigo magikorwo magithemana na kambuni na iria cia maigirira na iria ikoretwo ikiya andu kana meetanetie na kambuni cia uheani wa utungata wa insurance.
A number of insurance companies which have gone under or collapsed, or their licenses have withdrawn. But currently, as Policyholders Compensation Fund, we are compensating 2 insurance companies which have their license were withdrawn. Currently, we are compensating Resolution Insurance Company and Standard Assurance Company. Prior to that, we were compensating the Concord Insurance Company, and the 2 years term has lapsed. So we are calling upon the members of the public who had policies with Resolution Insurance Company and the Standard Insurance Company to come forward and launch their claims, because we are currently doing that as Policyholders Compensation Fund, which is our core mandate. Currently, we have compensated claimants of Resolution Insurance Company, 700 claimants, which is totaling to amount of 82 million.
Tokeo kia ginyagia county ya Pokot ya Ithũĩro na ni ati